Hello friends, just wanted to give you a little video for New Year's. Just kind of an update as far as what we have going on in the house fan-wise. I am alive. The studio is coming, however slowly. But I just wanted to give you a little something and say Happy New Year and thanks for sticking around. So here in the living room, got the same Delta that was in the living room at the old house. Here in Grandma's room, we have a Delta. Just got this glass for it. I think it's very gorgeous. Also put an uplight on it. We got a new light over the sink in the kitchen. You can't really tell, but it's this teal swirled glass. Here in the laundry room, got the minuet. Same one we had in the office at the old house, just with a different light kit on it. In my room, got the Panama with the dark walnut blades that I stained myself, as well as the uplight. And in the office we have this Walia with the glass that was on the minuet. And because I know what you all want, I'm going to crank all of them up to high. And for those wondering, yes, the kitchen is still getting a fan, just have not found something I really like for this space yet. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year!